Riverwood Healthcare Center in Aitkin is getting a major upgrade after plans for a $21 million renovation and expansion were announced late last week. Our Cameron Kramer takes a look at the big changes that will be taking place in Aitkin.
Riverwood Healthcare will soon break ground on a 50,000 square foot expansion and renovation project, but the idea was in the works for years. Expansion plans were thought to play out over a decade, but the process was sped up after Riverwood applied for the USDA's Rural Development Community Facility Funding project.
And we were successful in being awarded a $12 million funds from the USDA for rolling all of our phases together, which we thought was going to take 10 to 15 years. Now is going to really start in earnest next spring.
The result is a $21 million expansion and renovation, with the centerpiece being 25 private rooms for patients.
So we'll be able to have all private rooms, which will allow families to stay with their loved one. No longer will we have a roommate, so to speak, in your room.
Presently, the facility uses semi-private rooms. This is currently what a semi-private room looks like, but after the renovation, all 25 of the rooms will be private. One of the reasons for the change is listening to patient feedback.
One of the initiatives really came from our patient satisfaction comments that we get from, my roommate snored.
Other major overhauls include an expansion for the chemotherapy department and a new administrative center as seen in this artist's rendering. The hospital also has plans for existing patient rooms.
We're going to renovate all those as well. So not only are we going to do about 50,000 square feet of new construction, we're going to do about 20,000 square feet of renovations.
The 18-month project will soon be underway with the sole aim of giving the best care to residents in need.
It really provides a better experience for our patients and families who come to Riverwood for their health care.
Cameron Kramer, Lakeland News.
Construction will begin in April with a completion date slated for October 2012.